Morning everyone, we're the eGroup by team. Welcome to my presentation. So firstly, we will introduce what is our eGroup by. So do you feel that online shopping price is so high and there is no free delivery and courier fee is too expensive? Do you want to share the good products with your friends, family, etc.? So let's go to the eGroup buy. Our eGroup buy is a shopping app which can help you to purchase the same product with a lower price by launching a group with your friends, classmates, family members, and so on through our app. So for customers, by launching a group, we can gather in the power of more people and let people spend less money, but they can buy more products with free delivery. So for producers, instead of costly selling products to single buyers, we can set up a platform for producers to sell to group buyers and save the transaction fees. And what do we do? Negotiating with a large number of high quality and well known brands to get a lower cooperative price with their products and do the business.
Then let me introduce the business model. First, I will explain the transaction pattern. There are tripartite stakeholders: buyers, sellers, and e-group buy platform. Sellers settle in e-group buy platform and get some services. Then buyers select goods and consume it on the platform. This platform will provide a unique group buy mode, which means the more amounts of goods you buy, the lower price you can get. There are cash flow between buyers and e-group buy and sellers and e-group buy respectively. After receiving orders, sellers will ship commodity to buyers. Then the next question is who are the buyers and sellers and why they choose this platform. There are four groups of people most likely to buy buyers. There are four groups of people most likely to be buyers. First, youngsters, especially for female from small and medium cities and rural areas. Second, the people who are relatively less educated. In other words, these two groups of people are more likely to be influenced by budget constraints. Third, people who are used to online shopping, and finally, people who pursue cost-effective goods. Buyers prefer purchasing cheaper goods, and their goal is to pay lower price, but the services and goods are decent. In this situation, our platform will provide different price between group and single, and buyers can clearly see it. This is the difference between us and eBay. Due to accruing biases, buyers will find group buying is a good deal, improving the amount of orders and buyers' payment rates. On the other side, there are two types of merchants best suited to our platform. First, because the platform's entrance ratio is relatively low, it's very suitable for small and medium-sized businesses to enter. Second, it's suitable for the merchants who mainly produce daily consumables, for example, food, clothing, and baby products. All sellers prefer more orders and lower costs, and the seller's goal is always to maximize their profit. The extensive advertising of our platform can attract a large and stable number of buyers for the sellers. What is more, the unique group buy mode enables more orders and minimize marginal costs of producers. Our team have finished pre-launch demand estimation via a small survey. A total of 100 people participated in our survey, and the results show that food is the most prevailing good, and clothing and footwear rank second. Hence, our platform will attract merchants based on the results of this survey.
So what we are building for suppliers, we're gonna make faster consumption of inventory, huge exposure for new product, and efficient on targeting the market. And for our e-group buy, we're going to accelerate the operation of capital chain and reducing the supplier surplus. And the behavior of group on purchase can keep the APP active at high level. So for customers, they can get a cheaper price of same goods on our app than other platforms, and the price on other platforms is exactly their reference point. So we know that we have many competitors, and Groupon, Amazon, eBay are our mainly three competitors. So why it has not been done before by our competitors? I think Groupon and Amazon and eBay will also have many cons and pros. So let me analyze one by one. So the Groupon, their pros is attractive for consumers, but lower advertising costs for suppliers and reducing the inventory for suppliers. And the cons is did not require for sharing, so they cannot attract many consumers, and they have lower products exposure and a lower profit for single good. And for eBay, their pros is good diversities and specific target on customers and wide target market. And the cons is lack of consumer service and consumer loyalty and lack of common goods. And the pros for Amazon is the efficient on delivery, and consumers can get free delivery for over 300 orders, and the consumers loyal brand because many people know about Amazon. And the cons of Amazon is single buyer, high shipment costs, lack of flexibility on delivery. So compared to all our competitors, our eBay can have many advantages such as efficiency for suppliers and cheaper price for consumers and high profit. So why it is very hard to do what we are doing, we'll have about 4 questions and 4 solutions. And the first one is we required for huge amounts of products from reliable suppliers, and we can work with well-known brands to increase the reputation because the well-known brands can their product can be more high quality. And the second problem is we need and there is highly competitive market, so we can apply the honeymoon price to attract and expand the users at beginning, and we can make special discounts every month to attract more customers in order to survive in such a very competitive market. And the third problem is it's very hard to gain consumer loyalty, so we have consumer protection principles. We make sure that there are no fake products in our app. Yeah. And the fourth one is we need large number of startup funds. So we think that we can crowdfunding through the people who are very interested in our apps. So why this is an opportunity not to be missed. Our products, our app have 4 main characteristics, and the first one is logistics system. We have lower capital costs and we can deliver very fast because we have our warehouses spread over almost every district of the urban city, and we guarantee that we can deliver the products very fast to every customers. And the second one is group price. We can make the consumers get the same good but with a very lower price. And the third one is inventory consumption. We have very advanced commodity selection mechanism because when we are choosing which product we're going to sell, we are all based on the consumer preference, and we will choose the most popular products. And we have rapid inventory consumption with tying sales. And the fourth one is reducing the risk of resale because everyone can get the same price on our platform, so there will not be asymmetric information problems in our app. So we will not care about the resale problem. So let me talk about the profit model of our app. And you can see that on the first stage, which is 1 to 2 months, we will spend most of our money on advertising costs because we want more people, more consumers know our app and attract them to shop on our app. So the profit and revenue will be comparatively lower than the next two stages. But on the second stage, which is half year, we'll cut a part of our advertising cost, which is $2 million, and the logistic and warehouse costs will be a bit higher than the first stage. And however, our revenue and profit will be dramatically higher than the first stage. And on the third stage, which is 1 year, you can see that we will cut most of our advertising costs because many people are know about our app, and we have many customers now. So we're gonna to focus on serving these customers and exploring more new customers. So our logistic and warehouse costs will be more higher because we need to keep more goods in our warehouses, and but our revenue and profit will be dramatically increased and higher than the two stages before, which can our profit which can up to $320,000. So this is all our advantages. So if you are interested in our eGroup Buy team, please do not hesitate to invest in our eGroup Buy. Thank you so much.